wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, long time no see, and this is a review of the Beguile from Raquel Welch, and the color on this is R12 26H, also known as Honey Pecan. So I went ahead and filmed a color spotlight of this, which you will see on our CysterWigs 2 channel, so make sure you keep an eye open for that. This is mainly about Beguile, and this is Beguile right out of the box. I have not styled her or done anything to her. She just looked like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Beguile looks like on all sides. And this is that front hairline. She does not have a lace front. And that is the top of the wig, which looks really fantastic, very natural part. This one will also look cute if you have a stylist cut a bang into it for you, but she's kind of pricey, so I would definitely not suggest you do that on your own unless you're very, very, very experienced with cutting human hair. This is a human hair wig, so you will have to style it. This will not come pre-styled, so I'm actually really impressed that this one looks as nice as it does right out of the box, because generally they don't. They have like box head, they're kind of smushed and flat. But this one is pretty cute and wearable right away. This sample, you know, the one you get may not be that way, so anticipate that if you buy a human hair wig like this, that you're gonna have to wash her, maybe blow her out with a blow dryer, and style her to get her to look right, just like your own human hair. There are some special considerations that go along with color processed human hair like this though. Make sure you use wig-proof products that are very good and conditioning. There's another product that I really love, even though it's kind of exploding all over my countertop right now. This is Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Oil. I find that this stuff is great on my human hair wigs. Just make sure that you don't try using it on a John Renault wig, because their wigs are extremely picky. They're very, very, very sensitive, and you have to use their very specific products on them to get, you know, optimal appearance from a John Renault wig. You won't have that issue with this particular Beguile though. Let me go ahead and take the cap off so I can show you the construction. This has a single monofilament top that is hand knotted. That's why you get this really beautiful scalp appearance. The lace that they've used on here is a little bit heavier grade than what you'll get on the synthetics. That's to aid with the durability of the wig. It also feels a little heavier than what you get from a comparable synthetic, but don't worry, because human hair wigs generally feel a little lighter on. Think about the difference between like cotton and polyester, which is more akin to a synthetic wig. Cotton breathes better, and so does human hair. She's open wefted on the sides and in the back. She has an extended nape with a Velcro adjuster. She's also got a little bit of polyurethane on the closed ear tab. You can see that little bit of metal there. You can put adhesive there if you like, but you don't have to. You can also put adhesive on the front hairline if you like. This one's a great choice for people who have all over hair loss, because she's also got a little bit of polyurethane right here at the crown for even more adhesive. This one has beautiful, professional, soft layering. It's nice and straight. The hair texture is naturally straight on this. You would not want to air dry something like this, by the way. It'd probably look a little frizzy if you tried it. So let me go ahead and put this one back on. Now the fit on this is petite average, but I would say this cap is quite stretchy and fits kind of like an Ellen Villa wig or something like that. So I mean, I would say this one's almost average. It's like right there, it's almost there. So I don't find this one uncomfortable actually, because it's a little bit more generous on the ear to ear than most petite wigs would be. And I think that this one fits a little bit less tight than even a Noriko wig. It's kind of odd that way, but even though this is petite average, because she's so adjustable in the back, I can wear this one without it really pinching much at all. I would probably have to let it out all the way, and I don't know as of yet if I could get through a whole work day like this, but I also have an average large cap circumference. Most people are not going to be in the same boat. So if you have an average cap size, which is about 90% of women out there, you're gonna be in great shape with this Beguile. And even if you have a slightly smaller than average head, you will probably be in even better shape. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for hanging out with me here on the YouTubes. And in case you wanna check out our wig store, that's just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. Thanks for watching, everybody. We look forward to seeing you again next time, and have a great night.